guys, as I'm about to head out on holiday, I thought I'd do a simple swipe using some naturey colors that remind me of water and forests. To help create the cells that you'll see forming later, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and giving them a quick stir. I'm working with my typical swipe paint ratios, which you can find listed in the description box. I'll also have the paint colors and other supplies listed there. I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out of the canvas packaging to swipe. Anyway, just so you know, I'll have some more paintings for you as soon as I'm back from vacation. So there will be a little break in me posting videos, but I look forward to seeing you again as soon as I'm back.